In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube TV zip code and why it's important for accessing the right content. Your zip code determines the local broadcast channels and regional sports networks RSANs available to you, so keeping it updated is essential for getting the correct programming. To change your zip code, log into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Location section. Here you'll see an option to update your ZIP code. Enter the new ZIP code for your current location and save the changes. YouTube TV will verify your location using your IP address to ensure accuracy. It's important to note that your zip code must match your home area, as YouTube TV enforces location-based restrictions to comply with broadcasting rights. If you're traveling, you can still stream outside your home area, but some features like offline downloads may be limited. Updating your ZIP code ensures you receive the correct local channels and programming, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to change your YouTube TV zip code, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.